Well, I would love to design a piece while I'm here. Can we do that?
We definitely can. So over here, I have a chart of a lot of different gemstones that I work with. Their meanings, their birthstones, their chakras. So what month
So
birthstone?
I'm February, but I actually don't love purple, so I'm always drawn to my son's birthstone, which he's born in December, and I love blues.
So for December, there are actually 3 different gemstones, which is turquoise, which is the blue here, lapis, which is the blue here, as well as blue topaz.
I mean, I love them all, but I think the light blue is my favorite, so let's go with the blue topaz.
Blue stones are throat chakra stones, so they're good for communication, good for confidence, and also the blue topaz is good for inner peace. It helps preserve true love. It's one of the mystical meanings. It is also known to help for safe travel.
All good things.
So all good, positive things.
As someone who came from a completely different career, what advice would you give to women who are looking to possibly pursue their passions?
Know that you are good at something and that you want to pursue that. Secondly, it's important to be able to communicate with somebody what your goals are and what you're trying to accomplish, and then just keep going.
This is like exactly what I was picturing. Thank you again. I love my necklace, and thank you for all of the beauty that you're putting into the world.
Thank you for coming.